After several wonderful weeks exploring the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities of Australia and New Zealand, our next destination promised an entirely different experience. Leaving behind the cool temperatures and crisp air of the Southern Hemisphere, we eagerly anticipated the warmth and tropical energy of Vietnam. Saigon, officially known as Ho Chi Minh City, awaited us with its rich history, bustling streets, and renowned hospitality.
Our journey began in Sydney, where we boarded our flight bound for Vietnam. We landed at Tan Son Nhat International Airport, one of Vietnam's busiest gateways, excited to begin another chapter of our travels. After completing the arrival formalities, we hired a taxi for the short journey into the heart of the city. The approximately 30-minute drive offered an intriguing introduction to Saigon life. We immediately noticed the cleanliness of the city. Streams of motorbikes flowed effortlessly through the streets, like choreographed dancers, weaving around cars and buses with astonishing precision. It was almost late in the evening, and the traffic was light, but we're pretty sure it would be a different scenario when daytime comes. At around 10 in the evening, we arrived at La Passion Saigon Hotel, our home for the next 3 nights. Nestled within the vibrant city, the hotel provided a comfortable retreat and was close to almost tourist attractions. After checking in, and as we slowly settle into our room, we took a moment to appreciate where we were. We paid $168 for this double room, which we thought was good value for money with free breakfasts.
Good morning.
Morning. I got coffee.
Breakfast time. We're starting with fruits.
Egg. Boiled egg.
Fried rice and beds.
After a leisurely breakfast at our hotel, we decided to explore the surrounding neighborhood on foot, eager to experience the atmosphere and the usual tourist attractions. Just a short walk from the hotel, we arrived at a charming local park, shaded by tall trees with colourful flowers. Across the road stood one of Saigon's most important landmarks, the Independence Palace. Its elegant modernist architecture contrasted with the natural beauty of the park. Also known as the Reunification Palace, it occupies a special place in Vietnam's history. It served as the residence and workplace of the president of South Vietnam during the years of division and conflict. The building became internationally famous on 30 April 1975, when North Vietnamese tanks crashed through its gates, marking the end of the Vietnam War and the reunification of the country. Today, the palace stands as a powerful symbol of national unity and a reminder of a pivotal moment that shaped modern Vietnam. What struck us most was the relaxed atmosphere. Young people sat along the concrete walkways. Some shared food and chatted with friends, while others quietly sketched scenes from the park or worked on drawings in their pads. There was a sense of ease and contentment that made us slow our own pace and simply enjoy the moment. Continuing our walking tour, we soon arrived at one of the city's most recognizable landmarks, the Notre Cathedral of Saigon. Standing proudly in the heart of the city, the cathedral was built by the French colonial administration between 1863 and 1880, using materials imported largely from France, including its distinctive red bricks from Marseille. Unfortunately, during our visit, the cathedral was undergoing extensive renovation work. While we were somewhat disappointed not to see its famous twin bell towers in their full glory, we understood the importance of preserving such a historic structure for future generations. In front of the cathedral stands the statue of Our Lady of Peace, a striking white marble figure that has become a beloved landmark. The cathedral also provides a reminder of France's profound influence on Vietnam. French colonial rule began in the mid-19th century and lasted until the mid-20th century. During that period, the French introduced Western-style education, urban planning, railways, and many public buildings that still define parts of modern Ho Chi Minh City. Directly across the road stands another architectural gem, the Saigon Central Post Office.
Behind us is the post office building here in Saigon.
Completed in 1891 during the French colonial era, the building combines European design with local influences and remains one of the finest examples of colonial architecture in Vietnam. Its vast interior, with its vaulted ceiling and elegant iron framework, continues to impress visitors more than a century after its construction. Remarkably, the post office still performs its original function. While it has become a major tourist attraction, it continues to handle postal services, telecommunications, and financial transactions. It serves both residents and businesses, contributing to the city's economy while simultaneously preserving an important piece of its historical identity.
Post office from another angle.
As we continued our walk, we encountered scenes that perfectly captured the spirit of Saigon. Street vendors sold snacks, drinks, and fresh fruit in the pavements. Motorbikes streamed past in seemingly endless numbers. Around every corner stood an intriguing mixture of old and new. Elegant French-inspired buildings with ornate balconies stood beside gleaming glass towers and modern office complexes. Soon we reached one of the city's most beautiful buildings, the People's Committee Building of Ho Chi Minh City, often referred to simply as City Hall. Completed in 1908, the building originally served as the Hôtel de Ville during the French colonial period. Its ornate facade, decorative sculptures, and symmetrical architecture make it one of the most photographed landmarks in the city. Standing proudly in the square before the building is the monument of Ho Chi Minh, the founding leader and first president of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. He dedicated much of his life to securing independence from colonial rule and later became the symbol of Vietnam's struggle for national unity. Nearby, a beautifully landscaped roundabout features a fountain crowned by a sculpture of a lotus flower. The lotus is Vietnam's national flower and holds deep cultural significance. Our next destination was the magnificent Saigon Opera House, officially known as the Municipal Theatre of Ho Chi Minh City. Opened in 1900, the theatre was designed in the French colonial style and inspired by the grand opera houses of Paris. Throughout its history, the building has served many functions, including a theatre, assembly hall, and government chamber. Today, it once again serves as a performing arts venue, hosting concerts, ballets, traditional Vietnamese performances, and cultural events. Its elegant facade and rich history make it one of the city's cultural treasures.
Corner of Pasteur and Loi. Alright. Sige, Allah. So far we're still alive crossing the streets of Saigon.
Tara na, wala na.
We continued our journey along Loi Road, one of Saigon's most famous thoroughfares. To our amazement, tamarind trees lined much of the street. These trees have become a characteristic feature of many older streets in the city, contributing to Saigon's unique charm and helping soften the urban landscape.
Stopping at a small souvenir shop,
we were greeted enthusiastically by the friendly owner, whose warmth reflected the hospitality we encountered throughout our stay in Vietnam. After browsing local handicrafts and gifts, we resumed our walk as the midday heat began to intensify.
Gammon. Gammon. Thank you.
Thank you.
How about bye-bye?
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Gammon. Bye-bye. Xin chào. Saigon General Hospital, across the road.
Eventually, we arrived at the bustling Ben Thanh Market, one of the city's most famous landmarks and commercial centers. Since the early 20th century, the market has played a vital role in Saigon's economy, serving as a hub for trade, retail commerce, and tourism. Thousands of vendors sell everything from clothing and handicrafts to spices, fresh produce, and street food. The market supports countless small businesses and provides livelihoods for many local families, while attracting visitors from around the world.
Durian. Smells like hell, but tastes like heaven.
How much is this one? 150. 150.
Inside, colourful displays of tropical fruits immediately caught our attention. We particularly admired the famous durian, often called the king of fruits. Its distinctive aroma may divide opinions, but its rich, creamy flavour has earned it devoted admirers across Southeast Asia. By now, our morning adventure had worked up quite an appetite. We settled into one of the market's food stalls and enjoyed a delicious lunch of authentic Vietnamese dishes at remarkably affordable prices.
Which cost less than £4.
The two, for the two.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, thank you. I have chicken noodle, served with coconut juice. What you have? Beef po?
Beef po.
150,000 dong altogether, which is less than £5, I guess. Tama ba?
Oo, kasi magkano yan? 30,000. Tsaka 120.
Plus 30, plus 60.
The fresh ingredients, fragrant herbs, and bold flavors reminded us why Vietnamese cuisine is celebrated around the world.
Solve ang una naming lunch dito sa Saigon. Okay ka lang, Lola?
Sarap.
Okay lang, masarap.
Pawis na pawis ako kasi ang init.
Tulong sipon mo.
Tulong sipon,
Oh, ito
tulong
pa
pawis.
to.
Sana.
Ito, busin mo ni coconut. Hello, how much? No, 150.
Bible, two Bible 10,000.
60 plus 60 plus 30.
Two Bible 10,000.
Ah, may bayad ng tissue.
Yeah.
Ah, 160.
Yeah.
May bayad ng tissue.
Yeah.
40,000.
Yeah. Babo.
Thank you. How do you say thank you in Vietnam?
Cảm ơn.
Gammon. Gammon. Gammon.
After lunch, we returned to our hotel for a brief rest. Earlier in the day, we had booked an afternoon excursion to one of Vietnam's most fascinating historical sites.
No oras, 1:15.
You can rest in a room. When the guy comes, I will call.
Our tour vehicle would collect us shortly after 1 o'clock. Join us in our next video as we explore the extraordinary underground world of the Ho Chi tunnels and discover how they played a crucial role during the Vietnam War.